Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on Computershare. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in computershare.com and press enter. You will now be asked to choose your country. Just click on your respective country and you will be taken into the home page. Now from the home page, click on Login to Employee Online and this will take you into the employee portal for Computershare. Just type in your company code or your company name within the employee portal, and after entering these, click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your username and your password. Just type in the username that you have set while creating your account within the username section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Computershare employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the help option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from the forgot password menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account on Computershare. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.